Hello there.
Hello there.
Hey, thanks for calling Doweit Cars. This is Doweit Cars. What amazing car has caught your eye today?
Could you tell me the list of cars that you have in stock?
Absolutely. Here are some of the cars we currently have in our inventory. Station 1, 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat type
Yeah, I just
truck.
want the
Price.
Toyota RAV4 if you have that in stock.
It sounds like you're interested in the 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat. Great choice. We do
No,
have
I'm
that in
interested in
stock.
the
It's a fantastic.
2022 Toyota RAV4.
The 2022 Toyota RAV4 is an excellent choice.
Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Mehtav Samson and I'm the creator of Doweit Voice, which is powered by the incredible stacks Vapi, OpenAI, and last but not least, Better Auth. This is my submission for the 2025 Modern Stack Hackathon. So much of our success today depends on the humanly conversations we have with each other. It might be customer support, appointment bookings, or sales calls. But we humans have limits. We have bad days, we get tired, and we can't be expected to make 60 calls per hour and stay positive and perfectly consistent across all of them. And for decades, the most valuable business insights have been trapped under phone calls that we do. Customer feedback, sales leads, critical support details, all of them. They're all spoken and then they disappear. We take messy notes and we forget about them. There has to be a better way to manage all of them. That's why we created Doweit Voice. To turn voice from your biggest data liability into your biggest asset. So today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to exactly do that. So the big idea behind Doweit Voice is to create sort of like a hub for multiple voice agents. Because we could have a lot of use cases for voice agents. You could make them as call agents, you could talk to them as your favorite movie characters, you could do audiobooks with them. So our idea for these agents are huge. Since we have multiple voices integrating with Vapi and Level Labs, the choices are endless. But for the project that we submitted for the 2025 Modern Stack Hackathon is a call agent, so we're just going to be focusing on that. So let's get right into it. So the first page that you're going to see as soon as you get into the call agents part of Doweit Voice is going to be this dashboard. Each card you see here are basically different agents which are created for different purposes. To create your own, you click on the create agent button and you will be provided with two options, which is the inbound voice assistant and the outbound call assistant. If you pick on the inbound assistant, basically what that means is the agent is going to answer calls on your behalf, and if you pick on the outbound, then that means the agent is going to make calls on your behalf. So let's pick the inbound for this example, and you can start building everything from scratch, or you can use our templates so that it will be easier for you to learn along the way. So let's pick start from scratch for this example, and the most basic things that you need to create an agent is upload a profile picture for the agent and also give it a name. So why you need to do this is the agent is going to be showing this profile picture in this name when it actually calls you later. So after you do this, I named the agent Doweit Cars because we are going to create this agent thinking that we are an employee of a hypothetical cars company. So let's create this agent, and as soon as you create the agent, which is named Doweit Cars, you're going to see it on top of your dashboard, as you can see here. So to customize it even more, you could go to the details page of this specific agent you just created. So the next part for customizing this agent is going to be the prompt. So just like any other customer service personnel, the agent need to be guided with some instructions. So that's what we call a prompt. The prompt is the instructions you give to the agent for it to be guided by. It's like the behavioral prompt of it is like the personality of the agent. After you put or after you give this prompt for the agent basically knows how to approach the user's question. So we have put 3 ways for you to get the prompt. The first one is you can use our template. We have tried to make many templates for you to use. You might find your company's prompt on our page, or you can also chat with our chatbot in order you upload your prompt to it and then chat with it in order to make it better, or you could just copy and paste it from other places. So I have gotten my own prompt from other place, and I'm just going to paste it here. So the prompt that I've just pasted says this: you are Doweit Cars, you are a friendly and passionate car enthusiast from the cars company Doweit Cars. You are personally energetic and always very happy to talk with the next customer. So your smaller goal is going to be to answer the user's question based on our inventory or booking time, whatever the user asks. But your main goal is going to be to make the person come into our company personally. But don't be pushy about it. Just smoothly ask that question and make the user come into our company personally. That's what I basically put in the prompt. So you can also give your agent a greeting message in order for it to refer to it as a conversation starter, if it's the agent that's going to speak at first. But if it's the person that's going to speak first, then the agent is going to just stick with the prompt. But I have given it a greeting message in a prompt, as I have shared before, and I'm just going to say save changes, and you're done. So the next thing that you have to set up is the knowledge base. So what is knowledge base? So while the prompt is like the personality of the agent and it tells the agent how to approach the customer's question, the knowledge base is like its memory. It's how the agent knows everything that it needs to know about your company. So just like we did for the prompts, you have 3 ways to upload your knowledge base. You can start from scratch and building everything on your own, or you can explore templates that we as Doweit Voice have created, or other people using Doweit Voice have created, and you can buy it from them, because knowledge bases and prompts are the brains and the personality of your agent, and they matter. And even if you pay for them, if it's going to make your customer agent perfect, then it's worthwhile. Or the third is you can upload your knowledge base and chat with our chatbot and make it better. So let's start from scratch for this example, and I'm just going to name it Doweit Cars knowledge base. Why you give it a name and a description is going to be easier for you to search later. So here you can make your knowledge base public so that other people can buy from you, just how I've said it before. There is 3 ways for you to upload your knowledge base. You can manually input it or upload it from your own PC. It could be 16 or 17 pages long. No matter how long it is, you can upload it. Or you can paste your website's link here, and the agent will automatically scrape the data from your website. So for this example, I'm just going to manually input the knowledge base. So the knowledge base that I have chosen just tells the agent what our company does. As I've told you before, our company name is Doweit Cars, and the information that I've just given to the agent now as a knowledge base is just our website link, our contact list, and what type of cars do we have. We are free from Monday until Sunday, the appointment dates that the person can make in our company, or everything that the agent needs to know about our company. I've put it here, and I will upload it in the video's description so you can see it there also. So after doing this, I'm just going to say add content, and now my knowledge base is ready. The next step is just going to be connecting it with our agent. Now that we are back on our agent's dashboard or in the agent's detail page, you can see the configure page here, and you can customize many things here. You can also pick a model for it to generate the conversational prompts from. You can pick ChatGPT or any OpenAI models, or you can use Gemini or whatever you need. So here the other thing you can do is attach the knowledge base that you just created. So I'm going to attach it to the Doweit Cars knowledge base as we have created it in the other page. The reason why we created the knowledge base outside of the agent's detail page is we wanted to make this knowledge base like reusable. If you created 10 agents, you can use that knowledge base for all of them. That's why we created it outside. So I'm just going to save it. And the next step is picking the voice. As I've told you before, we are managing every call through Vapi. So we have a list of 34 voices so far, 10 of them of which we have gathered from the Vapi's platform, and the rest we have also made a Level Labs integration. After you put your API key there, you can import all of your voices from there. You can also listen to the preview of the voices here and then choose whatever agent's voice you like, and then you can go on from there. Also on the call configurations page, you can enable recording so that after each call is ended, you get the full audio recording in the transcript. So the next very important part of Doweit Voice and customizing your agent is actions. Let's create a hypothetical scenario here, and let's say that your agent have been talking with 16 people an hour, and you might now want to read the transcripts of all those conversations or hear the call recordings of all that. You might just want the telephone numbers and the full name of the people that the agent have been talking with. So that's what actions does. We don't just want our agents to be conversational and talk with the customer. We also want it to perform some actions and extract some data for us. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the actions page and you'll create the actions. For this example, I've already created 3 simple actions, which is to extract the full name, the phone number, and when the user will come. Because as I've said in the prompt, the main goal of the agent is going to be making the customer come physically to our company. So we also want when the user will come to our company, and that will be extracted for all calls and be exported as an Excel sheet for us. So to create the new action, you just click on the create new actions, and you have 3 options. The typical 3 ways of people answering things, either it be a boolean, if it's a yes or no question, are you going to come or are you not going to come, with type of questions, or the multiple choices. So for example, since we are a cars company, we have a list of cars that we sell, so we already know what type of cars the user will choose, and you can set it up here so that you will get a structured format and you know what the answer is going to be when it's exported. So since I've created these 3 actions here, the next step is going to be just connecting it with the agent. And to do that, you're going to go into the detail of the agent and go into the actions tab, and we have 3 tabs here. That says start of the call, during the call, and end of the call. And the reason why I created these 3 tabs is because we monetize this website based on the minutes that the agent have spent on the calls. So you don't want a typical person playing around with your agents and wasting your minutes. So if I were to put the full name action and the full name extractor, the phone number, and when the user will come in, information extractors at the start of the call, then the agent is going to do that at the beginning of the call. And if the user is not willing to give that information away, the agent is going to close that call and your minutes will be saved. So for our case, the logical place to put these 3 actions is going to be during the call. So I'm going to put them there, the full name extractor, the phone number, and when the user will come. I will add them there, and now, and just like that, you have created a highly intelligent customer service for Doweit Cars. You have set up the actions for it so that the agent knows how to extract information. You have given a prompt, a personal behavior of how to tackle questions. You have given knowledge base so that it has a memory of your company. You have chosen a voice for it. You basically have created a highly intelligent specialist tasked with not only having a conversation with the user, but also extracting information. So now it's time to test it. So you're just going to test the agent. You're just going to click on the test agent, and we will provide you with 3 options. You can test it with your own phone number by adding your phone number here, and the agent will actually call you and you can see it in action there, or you can chat with the agent, or even test it here on the website. The reason why we put this testing option in the first place is because you have to customize your prompt, voices, knowledge base to be perfect for you, to be perfectly fitted for your company, and you have to reiterate those in order to get the best agent service. So for the website testing, you're just gonna give it your name, and then you're gonna click on the start web call, and it will simulate the phone number, the phone call, the actual phone call is going to make after.
Hello there.
Hello there.
Hey, thanks for calling Doweit Cars. This is Doweit Cars. What amazing car has caught your eye today?
Could you tell me the list of cars that you have in stock?
Absolutely. Here are some of the cars we currently have in our inventory. It's Yishun 1 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat type.
Yeah, I
Truck.
just want the
Price.
Toyota RAV4 if you have that in stock.
It sounds like you're interested in the 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat. Great choice. We do
No,
have that
I'm interested in
stock.
the
It's a fantastic.
2022 Toyota RAV4.
The 2022 Toyota RAV4 is an excellent choice. It's a fantastic SUV with a lot to offer. The XLE premium trim comes with some great features like a sunroof, soft tech seats, and Apple CarPlay. If you're curious about how it feels to drive, we can set up a time for you to check it out in person.
Yeah,
What do you think?
let's do that.
That's fantastic. We'd love to have you to make sure the car is ready for you and to avoid any waiting time. We set aside dedicated times for test drives on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. What day would work best for you?
Yeah, Monday would work best for me.
Great. We'll see you on Monday to take that 2022 Toyota RAV4 XLE Premium for a spin. Before that, could I grab your phone number so I can send you a quick confirmation text with our address?
Yeah, no problem. It's 0912345678.
Thank you. We're all set. Looking forward to seeing you on Monday. Have a great day.
Have a great day. So as you can see, it's going to use the knowledge base in order to answer all of my questions. And not only that, it's going to show you, since we enable recording, which I'm going to show you later in the video, it's going to give you the full transcript of the call, and also even the audio, the full recording of the whole call. It's going to give you that also. And if you want to export this call to your Google Sheets or whichever fits your workplace, then you can export it into your Google Sheets by connecting it in our integrations tab. The way you could do that is you can go into our integrations tab and then click on the Google Sheets and then connect it with your Google in order to let us access your Google Drive and your Google Sheets in order to store it there. You can also integrate it with your Level Labs in order to bring all of your voices from there. So thank you for listening.